Yo, what's up, TikTok refugees? My name is Bosi. I'm a mixing engineer, and this is my studio. Acustica Audio released their last plugin. It's a reverb. The name is rice. Rice for eating. Let me teach you how rice is pronounced in Mandarin. Mi. In Cantonese, it's mai. Anyway, in this video, I'm about to review the plugin Acustica Audio Rice. Rice includes two different sets of GUIs, flat version and classic version. They functioning the same. So in this video, I'm gonna use the original one. On the top left, there are many presets. We can resize it, drag it to resize it. Type. Here are over 100 different type of reverbs. Yeah, we can click the left and right arrow. EQ. Pre-delay size, the space size. Spectral shaper is an internal sidechain. I think it used the Dove technology. Drive knob and output knob. Selectivity. The selectivity turns up. It will process on narrower peaks. If we turn it down, it will serve a wider band. And a dark knob. It is a low-pass EQ.
When we need to hear the reverb signal without main vocal, let's say, click the sidechain button.
Yeah, we clearly heard the very top end will be cut. And stereo aliver, it is a live function, I think. I engage the sidechain function and I turn the stereo aliver up. I don't know if you can hear it. If I turn it up, the stereo image will be a little bit aliver. Of course, I'm gonna play around. This is good enough. Like Chris play.
当夜晚帮我卸下防备，才学会怎样活得精彩。我不怕流泪，不留遗憾。爱或者不爱都无所谓，只要不辜负这每一天。
This plate, I'll keep it. And I'm gonna use one more. What should I use? Whole? Maybe something like this. Dark.
当夜晚帮我卸下防备，才学会怎样活得精彩。我不怕流泪，不留遗憾。爱或者不爱都无所谓，只要不辜负这每一天。
Yeah, it sounds good. I bypass all of them and turn up one by one.
当夜晚帮我卸下防备，才学会怎样活得精彩。我不怕流泪，不留遗憾。爱或者不爱都无所谓，只要不辜负这每一天。
I'm 100%, maybe 99% sure I will use this plugin on my future mixing. On drums, vocals, guitars, it sounds very, very good. Very easy to use, not CPU intense. It's so versatile. It has its own EQ, spectral dynamic shaper. This is the first plugin, Acustica Audio in 2025. It is a good start for Acustica Audio in this year. Okay, this is the end of this video. See you next time.